Hey guys, this is Lee from Historical Diggers. I am in Free State of Winston County. During the Civil War in Winston County, the men in Winston County did not want nothing to do with the Civil War. They wanted to be just left alone. And they would gather right here. So they would hide from the Union Army and the Confederate Army, and the town men would meet right here. They did not want to fight. This is a natural bridge. They actually used this bridge right here. Right here. So all the men from Winston County stayed right here. This is where they stayed at. They didn't want no part of the Civil War. They wanted to be left alone. They wanted to plow their fields. They wanted to feed their family. They wanted to make their own living. They didn't have no slaves. Just a small community. And this is where they'd meet at. And a lot of them stayed right here. This is like so far out. And right here, there's carvings, like you see right here. They're all over these rocks right here. It's pretty cool. Huge part of history for Winston County, Alabama. Huge part. This thing is massive. It's pretty cool. So in order to cross this one, you have to get on that bridge and go this way. This is my beautiful daughter coming up. This is Emily Mercedes. What do you think about it, Emily?
Pretty cool.
You like it?
Yeah, I'm trying not to fall.
You try not to fall?
Yeah.
And we wore the wrong stuff. But you wore the right
Look
t-shirt
at this
though.
symbol I found.
You found a symbol?
Yeah, I don't know where it is though.
Ooh. That is a cool. Where is that?
On the tree down there.
What?
Yeah. Along with my pipe I found.
Okay, this video's ended. We found symbols. Gotta go.